Hi, I'm Emily from the Blue Mouse, and today I'm going to teach you how to undo a knit two together. You've got these two loops. You can see the right leg of one here and the right leg of the other there. So the bigger hole directly underneath your one stitch on your right hand needle is the one that you're going to go into. So you take your left hand needle into it from front to back like this. You pull out the right needle and then you pull on the yarn. And you just undid that knit two together. When we knit two together, we go into both, and then you have a hole here. If you were to move it over, you could see a smaller one to the right, but we're just talking about the normal one just below the stitch on your right hand needle. Take your left hand needle, go into the hole underneath, like this. You should have kind of two loops on your left hand needle now. And then you just pull out the right needle and pull out the yarn. And those two stitches are back on your left needle.